Android Studio installation and setup guide. Open your browser, e.g. go to the search bar, search for Android Studio, type Android Studio in the search bar, click on the first official link, select the official Android Studio website link, usually from developer.android.com. Download the latest version. On the Android Studio download page, click on the Download Android Studio button. Make sure you download the latest stable version available at the current date, agree to the terms and conditions, check the box that says, I have read and agree to the terms and conditions, start the download, click Download. To begin downloading the setup file, wait for the download to complete, allow the download to finish. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. View the new features, Gemini and Android Studio. After the download is complete, open the web browser and search for the latest features in Gemini and Android Studio to familiarize yourself with any new updates. Open the downloaded file. Once the download is finished, right-click on the download icon and select Open. To run the setup Android Studio installation process, start the setup wizard will launch. Click Next to proceed, follow installation steps, click Next again to continue with the default installation process. Choose installation location, optional. The default installation path will be the C drive. You can change the installation location if desired. Install Android Studio, click Install and wait for the installation to complete. The setup will install all the necessary components. Complete installation. After installation, click Next to complete the setup. Launch Android Studio. The Android Studio page will open, and you will be prompted to set up the IDE, set up Android Virtual Emulator, open Device Manager. On the right side of Android Studio, click on Device Manager, add a virtual device, click on Add Device, and select Create Virtual Device. Select the device, choose a virtual device that suits your needs. For this example, select Pixel 9. Download System Image, click on Download. To download the system image for the selected virtual device, wait for the download to complete, wait until the system image download finishes, run the app. Once the download is completed, click Run to launch your Android app on the virtual device. App successfully running. The app will now run successfully on the emulator. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to never miss a new video.